This is the weekly weather briefing for the week of Monday, November 14th. Overview, we're going to be transitioning from a wet and mild pattern today through the week to a colder pattern with chances for snow increasing as we go through the middle of the week and into the weekend. So for today, this is the weather pattern that we're looking at. We have a cold upper trough over the Gulf of Alaska. This is going to be bringing our colder temperatures through the week. The cold front that came through earlier today is now pushed into eastern Montana. Showers are decreasing behind the front, but we do have a warm front that will be pushing up overnight tonight into Tuesday morning. With those colder temperatures and that warm front coming in, that will be bringing us some moisture. There's the possibility for some places to see some snow tonight. And the places that could see some snow will be primarily over the northwest portion of our forecast area, so the east slopes of the northern Cascades, Washington Pass, and even the upper regions or upper portions of the Methow Valley and Sherman Pass are a few areas where we could see some accumulating snow tonight. For midweek, that cold upper low will shift over the region. So for Wednesday and Thursday, there's still the possibility of some snow showers. Can't completely rule out we won't see some snow showers in the valleys, but looks as of right now mainly will be a potential issue for the mountain passes. Then on Friday, this is where we're expecting to see our coldest temperatures. Here we're looking at the morning low temperatures, so widespread hard freezes, lows in some places like Winthrop and Republic will see temperatures in the low 20s, but most areas will be in the mid to upper 20s. And then for the weekend, Saturdays when we're expecting to see some moisture returning, and our snow levels will be down. Pretty typical for November, but they're going to be lower than what we have been seeing so far, as we've been fairly mild. So we'll see snow levels down to valley floors for the east slopes of northern Cascades, Okanagan Highlands, the northeast mountains, and the northern panhandle. All those valleys will see the potential for some valley snow accumulations. Could they even see some valley snow even further south, like the Spokane area over the Coeur d'Alene area? It is possible, but it's going to depend on the timing of that moisture coming in for the weekend. An earlier timing would be more favorable for snow for some of those locations a bit further south. But we will be modifying those temperatures fairly quickly, even as we go into Saturday afternoon. But by Sunday, a lot of where we're seeing snow Saturday morning will be transitioning over to rain. Due to all the model uncertainty, our confidence level at this point is low. So our potential impacts, accumulating snow is the main impact for this week, and primarily impacting the mountain passes, which is why we have Tuesday through Friday in the low category. And actually mainly for Friday, the impact is going to be the cold temperatures and widespread hard freezes. By Friday, this time we're going to be fairly dry, so we're not going to see much, if any, snow showers. And then as we go into the weekend, I have us for the potential for some moderate impacts, just because of the moisture coming in. We could see a bit more widespread snowfall, but a lot of uncertainty due to where the snow level is going to start out as that moisture comes in. Our 8 to 14 day outlook for next week, Thanksgiving week, not really much of a clear signal for precipitation outlook, so still some uncertainty as far as will be wetter or drier than average, or even could be near average, but there is still pretty good signal for temperatures that we'll see warmer than average temperatures for next week. All right, thank you very much. This concludes the weather briefing for this week.